Let's break down the top 5 ceiling lifts brought to you by Rehabmart.com. Starting us off at number 5 is the Traxx TItan 500 patient lift system. The Titan 500 is the most affordable portable ceiling lift on this list, mostly because it includes everything you need in its base price. You choose from 8, 10, or 12 foot widths, and the Titan's powerful battery provides up to 200 lifts on a single charge. The Titan does have a relatively limited sling selection in its base package, though it does work with third-party slings. Next up at number 4 is the C1000 Power Traversion Bariatric Fixed Ceiling Lift from Handicare. Capable of lifting up to 1,000 pounds, its extra-wide carry bar makes transfers more comfortable. 2 C1000s can even be paired together to lift a single patient for more precise movements. A waterproof controller with a single button to return the unit to its charging station round out the C1000, though they do lead to it being the most expensive lift on this list. Handicare also snags the number 3 slot with a P300 portable ceiling lift. Easily the lightest lift on this list at just 6.7 pounds, the P300 is easy to transport and set up. Inside that compact package is a powerful but quiet motor with a rechargeable battery that both charges quickly and shuts down automatically. All that said, the P300 is so light because it needs to be manually pulled to actively move the patient once lifted. Coming in at number 2 is the VOYAGER portable ceiling lift from JOERNS. The VOYAGER can be paired with a variety of track options to meet virtually any need. There's even a track designed specifically for bathtubs. A touch heavier than the previous lift at 12 pounds, the VOYAGER is still quite portable, which is a great pairing with its various track options that set up in as little as 5 minutes. Some users did complain that the VOYAGER's 30 lift per charge just wasn't enough though. Finally, our pick for the number 1 slot goes to the CIRRUS Power Ceiling Lift from TOLLO. This high-tech lift also manages to be the most affordable lift on this list. Though it is a fixed system, the CIRRUS's IQ technology keeps track of usage and lets you know when to perform routine maintenance and upkeep. Finally, the CIRRUS is the only lift on this list to include a 6-point spreader bar for a wide array of comfortable positioning options.